Once upon a time, in a magical forest, lived a mighty lion and a tiny mouse. In the heart of the forest, the mighty lion roared, letting all the animals know he was the king. Far away, a little mouse named Mia was curious about the lion's roar. She decided to explore. As Mia wandered through the forest, she met friendly animals who warned her about the lion, but Mia was determined. Meanwhile, the mighty lion found himself trapped in a hunter's snare. His roars turned to desperate cries for help. With bravery in her heart, Mia discovered the trapped lion. Using her sharp teeth, she gnawed through the ropes, setting the lion free. Grateful for the tiny mouse's help, the lion and Mia became the best of friends. Size didn't matter when it came to true friendship. And so, in the enchanted forest, the lion and the mouse proved that even the mightiest can sometimes use a helping hand from the smallest.